Гром. Oh, Гром. Громко.
Yeah,
That makes sense.
Smart one.
Sometimes Russians make sense.
Not often.
Привет, ребята! Сегодня мы смотрим фильм «Майор Гром». И с нами наши американцы и канадка Селеста. И ты откуда, Джошуа? Where are you from?
Virginia.
Virginia State. And you, Селеста?
Toronto.
Торонто, Канада. И Эрик,
Nebraska.
Небраска. Итак, Эрик нажимает play, and we start watching.
Bubbles. Where does this take place? Where did the film?
In St. Petersburg.
And what year?
Huh?
What year?
By here?
What year?
Year.
Present
Ah,
day.
this year. It just released 1 month ago. It's like story from comics.
Папа, да, нужны деньги. Это что, пранк?
Oh, nice.
Yeah, manager.
Все менеджеры.
Смотри, какой злой. Где ключи хранилища?
Такой злой.
За дело.
I really like that they're wearing Adidas tracksuits.
Yeah. Are those masks from some comic?
I don't know.
Мы отдадим эти деньги в приют и больнице. Правда?
I think it would be easier to get one of the trucks that delivers the money than actually stealing from the bank, since they deliver money in like a marshrutka.
Yeah.
Babki? Money?
Yeah. Like slang word.
Are those euros or what currency is that?
Rubles.
I don't see.
That's not rubles.
I think they
Those are
are.
different colors. The blue ones, oh, those are 50s. The blue ones are 50s.
Oh, thousands also blue?
Thousands are green. He's gonna do some sort of Hulk thing.
Kriopa.
Like
Bloody.
bad one.
I'm so confused.
What?
Человеком,
Igloo.
верным другом,
What just happened?
настоящим
I don't know,
профессионалом.
it looked like flashback, but
Он посвятил свою жизнь борьбе с преступностью.
Maybe like different options of what could happen.
yeah.
Майор,
Майор is like high officer in Russia.
хватать.
Major.
Oh, he's going through the options in his head.
Yeah.
The little kid's gonna be dead. Yo.
No.
What is MVD?
МВД.
MVD.
МВД. Министерство внутренних дел. Like MVD is in general includes like police and stuff. Kind of.
Okay.
Какого хрена они так думают?
There's all kinds of different money. Look, there's American bills too.
That's right.
And euros.
Oh, yeah.
Ah, it's
Euros,
like
American
yeah.
bills.
Сиди, не высовывайся. Это вы, наверное, моему братишке сказали, а не мне. Ого. Подними правую руку, покажи средний палец в окно. Ты что, идиот? Покажи средний палец! В гребаное окно! Вот! Я знаю, что я делаю. Во-первых, никогда не спал. Что говорит
He's crying.
Он был сильный, высокий, красивый. В его подбородок брови молнии.
Это был полицейский. Полицейский? Он был в форме?
В отличной форме.
Ой.
Гром.
Russia.
Yep.
He's
You
Jason.
can be like superhero, not Russian.
It's still cute. This looks like the scene from Casino Royale.
Is this the place in St. Petersburg, or is this all made up? Like, is this all just props?
It's hard question for me, but it's the story about St. Petersburg. I didn't see this place in St. Petersburg, so maybe it's made up. Actually, it seems like it's very light, yeah? Fake.
Let's try
I just
him.
like how this stuff is laying around. Who did the music to
It's
this?
really good.
Yeah.
It sort of sounds like what Marvel puts in their movies.
Yeah.
Huh.
Yes. Throw it away.
It's good enough. Although if that's all rubles, he doesn't.
Is there dollar bills?
This guy really went out and bought an expensive outfit to go rob a bank. Oh no.
Действовали организованно и быстро, но в какой-то момент все пошло не по плану. И что это был? Майор Гром.
She's in love.
Is this the first one? What even is this? Like, is it a movie?
It's like short movie.
All right, now I'm lost.
So can you compare it like to American comics, movies?
It's like Deadpool. I mean, in general, I liked it.
I was really enjoying that.
But did you like music? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, the music was
really
good.
I would give it a very good ratings.
Yeah.
I think the fact that it was Russian, I think sets it apart a little bit, especially for people that like Russian. Like, I feel like it could be less popular if it was in English type of a thing, but the fact that it's Russian and like it's that kind of humor, I think it works more. But I think it would. I mean, it could be popular.
I think the concept, the storyline is something that could easily be in an American movie or something.
Russia. Tell us your radio voice something. Just something.
My radio voice, huh? Well, no, it was fun. It's fun to watch. It's not. It's different than Deadpool and other American superhero type movies, and that you really don't know that much about the main character other than he just beats people up. But it's still fun.
There's a little like Wolverine too, maybe like early Wolverine. Where he kind of just went around and beat people up.
Well, I don't think the early Wolverine movies are anything to.
They're not very good.
No.
What do you think to ask else?
Should they make it into like a real movie?
Like a full-length movie.
Then what do you think about
I think they could. They could have made it into a full-length movie. Maybe just give them a pass,
Yeah.
and then create a more better film.
Romantic interest.
Yeah, it reminded me like Batman, something like
Batman?
against Joker, like in bank.
Yeah, like they were
So-
joking the way they were like laughing and stuff.
He almost seems more like a Punisher type character, though.
Huh?
You know who the Punisher is?
No.
He's just this soldier that got really messed up in the war, and then he just goes around murdering everyone.
That's good.
Here
Yeah.
he is good, like.
Shots.
But do you think like quality of filming was good?
Yeah, it was really good.
The action was really well done too.
Quality animation, quality. Besides the,
A little bit of comedy in there.
I didn't like the arm thing. 'Cause I
That's
think
weird.
It's like he was able to swing it really easily, but it like hurt him a lot. It's like that doesn't make any sense.
I just wish I knew more about the guy.
Yeah, we need his backstory.
It doesn't
matter.
His tragic backstory.
It doesn't matter.
What made him fight crime?
It doesn't matter.
We need to
You
know.
think?
Is this part of a large universe?
Is it viral? Oh.
No, it's just first.
Well, but the comics it's based on. Is there,
Let's
there are a lot of
check
comics?
first. Yeah, it's like series of comics.
Bubble comic.
Yeah.
50 series
Okay.
of it,
Wow.
comics. In case of success of this movie, this Bubble production gonna film full movie.
It'd be nice to see a full feature-length film.
Yeah, I would see that. I'd go watch it.
В другой галактике, а мы из Чертанова.
Чертаново is like neighborhood in Moscow.
That's a good line.
I think that looks sick. I would totally watch that.
Yeah, I'm watching it too. When's it coming out? January.
January.
Won't be here.